Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chats, the podcast where every conversation helps you learn English naturally. I am Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello, everyone listening. I am Alex. Welcome to episode 2.
How are you feeling today, Alex? You have a big cup of coffee in your hand.
I am doing okay, Emma. But yes, I need this coffee. I am a little bit tired today.
Oh no, why are you tired? Did you not sleep well?
I slept fine, but my morning was a disaster. I was rushing, I was running late. It was very stressful.
Well, Alex, that is perfect because today our topic is daily routines. We are going to talk about everything we do from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep.
That is a great topic. Everyone has a routine. But Emma, before we talk about our day, we have a quick request for our listeners.
Yes, if you are enjoying our new podcast, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much. And thank you to everyone who commented on our first video.
We loved reading your comments. Okay, Emma, let's start at the very beginning of the day. The morning. What time does your alarm ring?
My alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. And when it rings, I wake up, I stretch, and I get out of bed immediately.
Immediately? Wow. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m., but I do not get out of bed. I press the snooze button.
The snooze button. That is a great word for our listeners. Everyone, do you know the word snooze?
Snooze is when your alarm makes a noise, but you press a button to make it stop for 5 or 10 minutes. You go back to sleep. I press snooze 3 times every morning.
3 times? Alex, that is why you are always rushing.
I know. So I wake up at 7, but I finally get up at 7:30.
Let's quickly explain that to our listeners. Wake up means you open your eyes. You are not sleeping anymore. But get up means you physically leave the bed. You stand up.
Yes, getting up is the hardest part. What do you do after you get up, Emma?
I go to the kitchen and I drink a large glass of warm water with lemon. I open the window to get some fresh air. It is very peaceful.
Water with lemon? No. I go straight to the coffee machine. Coffee is the only thing that wakes my brain up.
Coffee is good, but water is healthier. After my water, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, I brush my teeth, and I take a warm shower.
I do the same. Wash my face, brush my teeth, but I take a very hot shower. Extremely hot.
And then you have to get dressed.
Ah, yes. Getting dressed. This is my biggest problem every day.
Why is it a problem?
I open my closet. I look at all my clothes and I think, I have nothing to wear.
Alex, you have so many clothes.
I know, but nothing looks right. I try on a blue shirt. No, I take it off. I try on a white sweater. No, I take it off. I waste 20 minutes just looking at my clothes.
20 minutes? I have a solution for you, Alex. You need to use the night before trick.
the night before?
Yes. Before you go to sleep at night, choose your clothes for the next day. Put them on a chair. Then, in the morning, you don't have to think. You just put them on. It saves so much time.
Choose my clothes at night. That is very smart, Emma. You are so organized. I will try that tonight.
Let me know if it helps. Okay, so we are dressed, we had our coffee and water. Now it is time to go to work. How do you commute, Alex?
Commute. Let's explain that word. To commute means to travel from your home to your workplace.
Exactly. My commute is very easy. I walk to work. It takes about 20 minutes. I look at the trees. I breathe the fresh air. It is very calm.
Walking is nice. I commute by bus, and it is not calm. It is very crowded. There are so many people.
And what do you do on the bus?
I put on my headphones, and I listen to music or a podcast.
Listening to an English podcast on your commute is a fantastic idea. It is a great way to use your time.
Okay, so we arrive at work. What is the first thing you do?
I sit at my desk, I open my computer, and I check my emails. I write down a list of my tasks for the day.
I sit at my desk, and I go get my second cup of coffee.
Alex, 2 coffees before 9 a.m.?
Well, yes, the home coffee and the work coffee. Very important. Then I check my emails.
Let's fast forward to lunchtime. Do you bring food from home or do you buy food?
I buy food. I don't have time to prepare food in the morning because I spend 20 minutes looking at my clothes. So I buy a sandwich or soup near the office.
Eating out every day is expensive. I bring my lunch from home. I prepare a salad or rice the night before. I put it in a box in the fridge.
The night before again. You do everything the night before.
It makes the morning so easy. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. How do you feel around 3 p.m.?
3 p.m. is a dangerous time for me, Emma. My eyes feel heavy. I feel very slow. We call this the afternoon slump.
Yes, the afternoon slump. It is when your energy crashes. You feel like you need a nap.
Exactly. What do you do when you hit the slump?
I get up and walk around the office for 5 minutes. And I eat a small, healthy snack, maybe an apple or some almonds. What about you?
I eat a snack too, but not almonds. I eat chocolate chip cookies. And I drink my third cup of coffee.
3 coffees? You are going to have too much caffeine. Try drinking green tea in the afternoon. It gives you energy, but it is much softer on your body.
Green tea and almonds. Okay, Emma. I will try to be healthy like you tomorrow.
Good. Okay. The workday is finally over. We commute back home. What is the very first thing you do when you walk through your front door?
Oh, the best part of the day. I take off my shoes and I change my clothes immediately. I take off my work clothes and I put on soft, comfortable sweatpants.
Yes, I do exactly the same thing. I change into comfortable clothes and I sit on my sofa for 10 minutes in total silence. I do nothing. My brain just rests.
Yes, the brain needs to rest. And then the stomach needs food. It is dinner time. Do you cook, Emma?
Oh yeah, I love cooking. It is very relaxing for me. I put on some soft music, I chop vegetables. Chopping means cutting into small pieces. And I make a nice soup or a stir fry. Do you cook, Alex?
I try, but I am a terrible cook.
Oh, really? What is your worst cooking disaster?
One time I tried to make pasta. I put the pasta in the boiling water, but then I sat on the sofa and looked at my phone. I forgot about the pasta for 30 minutes.
Oh, no. You left it for 30 minutes? Pasta only takes 10 minutes.
I know. When I finally remembered, the pasta was so soft. It was literally liquid. I made pasta soup.
Pasta soup? That is terrible. So what do you eat for dinner now?
I make very simple things. Sandwiches, eggs, or I order delivery. Ordering pizza is much safer than my cooking.
Well, after you eat your pizza, what do you do in the evening to relax?
I watch a TV series. I really like comedy shows. Laughing helps me put down the stress of the day.
Comedy is great. I usually read a book. Reading helps my eyes relax away from screens.
Reading is nice, but I fall asleep if I read, so I watch TV, and then I get in bed.
What time do you go to sleep?
Midnight, or maybe 1 a.m.
1 a.m.? Alex, that is so late.
I know. I tell myself just one more episode, and then just one more episode, and suddenly it is very late.
And do you look at your phone in bed?
Yes. I scroll on social media. I check messages just for a few minutes, which turns into an hour.
Alex, looking at your phone in bed is so bad for your sleep. Phones have a special light called blue light.
Blue light?
Yes, blue light tells your brain that it is daytime. It tricks your brain into thinking the sun is shining. So if you look at your phone at midnight, your brain thinks it is morning and you cannot sleep.
Wow. So my phone is tricking my brain? That explains why I am always tired in the morning.
Exactly. And that is why you hit the snooze button 3 times. Try reading a book for 20 minutes before bed instead of looking at your phone.
Okay, choose clothes the night before, green tea in the afternoon, no phone in bed. You are giving me a lot of homework, Emma.
It is good homework, but really, everyone is different. I am an early bird. An early bird is someone who loves the morning and sleeps early.
And I am a night owl. A night owl is an animal that stays awake in the dark. I love the evening, and I hate mornings.
Both are totally normal. Okay, now it is time for our favorite part of the podcast, the motivational minute and shadowing practice.
Yes, if you are listening right now, you might feel like English is difficult to speak. You can understand us, but speaking feels scary.
Remember, you just need to train your mouth. Speaking English is a physical activity. Your tongue and your mouth need to practice making new shapes.
So, we are going to practice together. Emma will say a sentence about daily routines. Then there will be silence. In the silence, you must repeat the sentence out loud.
Don't be shy. Speak loudly. Ready? Let's go. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. I press the snooze button. I don't know what clothes to put on. I commute to work by bus. I hit the afternoon slump at 3 p.m. I chop vegetables for dinner. I am definitely a night owl.
Fantastic job. If you want to practice again, just rewind the video. The more you shadow, the better your pronunciation will be.
Well, that is the end of our day and the end of our episode. Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
Yes, thank you, everyone. But before you close the video, we have a question of the day.
We want to hear from you. Please practice your English writing by leaving a comment below. Question: Are you an early bird or a night owl? What time do you usually go to sleep?
I want to see if there are more night owls like me. Write your answers in the comments, and we will reply to you.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Daily English Chats so you never miss an episode.
Have a wonderful day and take it easy.
See you next time. Bye.